Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2011 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT, fabulous color, Victory Red, nope, 2011 Torch Red, beautiful car. Look at it from the behind. Wow, what a car. Super clean inside, just 31K on this car. It's like brand new, just absolutely stunning. We sold the car 3 years ago, 10,000 kilometers ago to a nice customer who took great care of it and enjoyed it and loved it. And now we have it back again for sale. It's got the NPP performance exhaust that you can see there, which is the control of exhaust. Super wide body. You can see the fenders are huge there. Great big tires. We put brand new rubber on this baby. New brakes as well. And it's ready to go. What a great looking machine. Have a look inside there. Perforated leather seat inserts. Passenger power seat with multifunction adjustment for the lumbar and side bolsters. Clean, tidy, just gorgeous. Look inside the door frames there, absolutely beautiful. It's got the nav disc, it's got the books, it's got everything with it right there. The codes are right there so you can see. Hold real still, it'll focus, there you go. All good. 70U, Victory Red, or Torch Red, what a beautiful car. Wow. Bose sound system, excellent condition. Slide up to the front here, you can see the beautiful Grand Sport gills with the little chrome attachment there. Front wheel, no curb rash, beautiful chrome rims, cross-drilled rotors, giant size calipers, painted up beautifully. Under the hood, LS3, 436 horsepower with the NPP performance exhaust. The hood mat's in great condition, just looking beautiful. This is an untouched, unmolested, just absolutely gorgeous 3LT Grand Sport. Just a beauty. So, nice front lower air dam. Just a thing of beauty. Absolutely stunning. No stone chips, no issues, just gorgeous. It's got the GM, which are, you can see that's got the cross flags in it. It's made by GM only, $595 a side for those hash marks that are just significant to this particular car. Have a look at the wheels there, absolutely fabulous. Nice looking gills again. Here's your back wheel, brand new rubber, and they're Goodyear Eagle F1s, just as they should be OEM. On the driver's door here, you've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seats, Bose sound system. You've got tilt and power telescopic steering wheel. Driver's seat has the multifunction seats as well as the memory. You can see that there's no issues, no concerns there on the wear. It's got the cross flag stitching in the console. Just a thing of beauty. Let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Nice. Beautiful sounding exhaust. Close the door so it doesn't ding on me. Have a look here, 31,675 are the kilometers. Over here it's got the heads-up display, so if you look through there you'll see the heads-up display. Here I'll move it up and down a little bit so that you can see it. I'll change the pages, maybe turn it up a little bit in brightness and change the mode so you can see it's all working. Over here is your driver information center. Here's your factory navigation system with AM and FM and stereo. And of course, push that button, it opens up, your DVD goes in there. You can also play CDs in there as well, so very cool. And then you've got your dual zone automatic air conditioning, heated seats, 6-speed manual transmission, and the cross flags embroidered into the console. Underneath in here, you've got your power in, and down here you've got your USB and line in to plug in your phone. Up here is your OnStar, and there is your compass, all built in. So your Bluetooth system is right here for your phone, steering wheel controls for your stereo radio right there, and a power convertible top. So we're just going to operate the power convertible top, which is a one-touch button when you put the emergency brake on. So here it goes. Just about 17 seconds to put that top up. The waterfall comes down and locks into place. Then the top finishes. There's your glass rear window with defroster. Up here there's one clip to move. You have to just lock that like so, and then put our power windows up, and there it is. Beautiful. So power telescopic steering wheel over here, as you can see. Outstanding. Have a look at the door frames there as I'm getting out. Again, beautiful looking interior. The top is in fantastic condition. No rubs, no worries. It's just looking awesome. No rips, no tears. Beautiful. There are no scratches on the car. This is a mint car. Condition, outstanding. Wheels, gorgeous. Tires, brand new. Exhaust, thrilling. Listen to that little rumble there. That's awesome. And look down the side. Look how wide that body is. That is gorgeous. So, there you have it, folks. 2011 Chevrolet Grand Sport convertible. Chrome wheels, 3LT, navigation, 31,000 kilometers. It's here and available, folks, at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I look forward to seeing you real soon.